Hello everybody to my like 8 followers on YouTube. We're going to comicon tomorrow and I'm gonna vlog it. I'm going with Tali and Tiana. Lily bitch on the floor. And yeah, we'll vlog on the train and everywhere.
You'll cut it like the train.
Yeah. See you soon. Bye. At the train, oh, Tali, get your fat ass in. We're just waiting for our fucking train. It's gonna be like 40 minutes away.
Oh, I thought she was leaving us. I was like,
I can't wait. It's gonna be fun. We're on the train and we're going to the city. Look at these sexy bitches.
The next station is Brisbane.
We're on the train. We're on the train.
Trains at Eaton Junction.
We're getting closer. Yeah. So we're in Dipilly because we stayed on the train for too long because TransLink told us the train was gonna. No, we didn't get on the train. TransLink told us we were gonna go straight to South Brisbane where we needed to go.
Dipilly Station.
We're in Indipilly, which is further away than we need to be. At this point, we were heading to Ipswich. We don't need to go to Ipswich.
imagine if we went to Ipswich, what would we have done?
We would have had to get on a train and go back home because at that point you would have needed to be home. Oh my god.
Is Roma Street.
This is where we need to get off Roma Street. We just got on at Milton. We got on at
Roma Street.
what was it called?
I don't know. Fucking.
I don't know. We were in Indipilly.
We all
Now we need to get off at Roma Street. Roma Street's where we needed to be in the first place.
It is a mandatory requirement for
Yeah,
masks
okay.
to be worn while
We're at Cultural Centre. Now we're just crossing the road to go to Grey Street. Oh my fucking gosh. I know where we are, I think. We are basically here. Yeah. We're in the line.
Didn't wait forever.
Yeah, no, we've just got to walk to Hall 3 to jump into where we need to go. Because that's how we enter into the Comic-Con. There's so many really cool cosplays. Like, what the fuck?
That's one of those cosplays that you don't have to.
We're here in the convention. Oh my gosh.
Hello!
It's so busy. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! So Tiana bought that. It's so cute. Oh my god.
Tali and I bought mystery bags.
It's so cute. Yeah. It's so cute. Oh my gosh.
It's so fat.
What did I get? Oh my gosh! I got a Kenma. Oh my gosh. What is this? Oh my god. So I got a Kenma card. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. Kenma. I got a Hinata keyring. Look what is some stickers. A little bag that I can put everything in. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. And a photo of my one true love, Portal.
Here, come over here, look at my stuff. Oh shit,
It's mine.
wait, how do I open this? Oh, I'm so bad with cameras. I got this little Mona thing, it's so cute. And right in Shogun, my one love. Shoot, these things are so hard. Little Ningguang card. Oh my god, look how cute that is! Oh, I got a new one! And a little hotel cherry bag. I love this shop. Wait, what's the artist? I don't know if the artist. You put everything in the little bag.
Yes.
I wonder what stickers that I have.
Okay, so this is from Pastel Aggressive. The ladies there are so nice. And like they've got.
Oh, Dane's Lip, Ayato.
So we're about to leave because yeah, we're getting broke. And we still have to like get trains and shit at home, so I'm buying us lunch and then we're going to get the train.
Look at my bags. What happens when you have too much money?
And I got this. And there's like figures and stuff in it, but I'll do a more in-depth video on it when we leave.
Are you interested in looking at that?
Left. We literally just walked out, oh my gosh. So we're at South Brisbane station she's complaining because her work told her it was too short of notice, and now it's now they're not answering. So
Nice. I put onion on my good figure. I put onion on it.
we just got Subway for lunch, and now we're waiting for the train. But it's not getting here till 1:40 something, and it's 1 o'clock. So we got 40 minutes to kill. Love that. I got a classic chicken with pickles, tomato, cucumber, carrot, garlic aioli, and chipotle southwest on Italian herb bread. It's really fucking good. And my little surprise bag. I got the Katsuki Bakugo figure. I got a toga one. She's so pretty, oh my gosh. Got Shoto Todoroki as well. These are all 45 bucks each, by the way.
Okay, I might join her.
Yeah, I'll grab that.
I love you.
And I got Deku as well. And I got like keychains as well because they gave me store credit.
Oh, yes, Jojo.
So she got that. So Tally got this one.
Yeah, Jono. Thank you.
Tiana got this one. And I got Kirishima. I'm going to unbox things I got. So this is Izuku Midoriya. I don't care if... Yeah, I don't care. I don't care if this is like meant to not be opened. I spent money on it and I'm going to open it. Because, yeah. Because they're going to go on display on my shelf. I don't care if like value can go up because I'm not keeping them for value. I'm keeping them to, you know, have as display items. And I do plan on playing games with them because they're mine. And I don't care what people say. I'm going to enjoy my money's worth. No, this is the first, like, yes, action figure I've bought in many, but yeah, like the first one I've actually bought myself, so I don't know if these are action figures or what they are. This is how it comes. So it comes with your stand and like, it all comes in pieces. So this is him put together. He's adorable. And I'm just gonna get the stand. So I bought 4 of these and I think it came to 100 and I bought 4 of these, not 40. I think it came to $140. Honestly, I think it was money well spent. Which way do these things go? I'm gonna just get going to his book. This is Izuku Midoriya. Oh my god, he's so cute. Now I'm gonna keep opening them because I'm excited. Oh my gosh. A little mystery pouch, it's so cute. Bakugo. I might end up doing a time lapse of this, I'm not sure, but yeah. Tape. I hate tape. And I'm wearing my earrings too, they're so cute. Oh my gosh. friend made me watch Howl's Moving Castle last night, and it was so good. Like, honestly, if you haven't seen it, you should totally see it. Watch it. It's just on Netflix. It's by the same studio, Ghibli Studio. It's by Ghibli Studio. They're the same ones who did like Totoro, like My Neighbor is Totoro. I'm not entirely sure how to pronounce that, so sorry if I butchered that. Oh, why did Bakugo come in more pieces? Like, he fully came in pieces. Okay. Okay, that's kind of cool. And this is from the World Heroes Mission movie. I haven't seen any of the movies. I haven't seen season 5 either. I think I watched all of season 4 and that's it. I don't understand why this one came all in pieces, but definitely came in like 2. Well, probably nothing. I think I'm starting to get the hang of this, but I don't understand it. Like that. They're pretty. They've got like these little connected parts on them, like the joints. Just a thick neck picture. Ain't nobody know. There we go. Now it's all together. But now I just need to open the stand. The stand came in its own little packet. I don't understand why. I don't care. I'm sorry for not posting for so long. Like I was gone for like 4 months, but I was busy and I had nothing to like actually film because I didn't really do anything. And I wasn't just gonna vlog nothing because I feel like that's a little bit pointless. Why ain't my man fitting? Now this is gonna be a bit of a look-ish video, I guess. Hope not. It's probably only gonna be about 15 minutes. Why aren't you fitting? Katsuki, just going bloody out. And there he is. Maybe, hold on. I'm sorry if I'm talking very quietly. Okay. There's Katsuki Bakugo. I'm going to like line them all up and show them when they're all done. And show Totoro. When I first got into my hair, when I was in year 7, so 3 years ago, oh my gosh. Todoroki was literally my favorite character, even though I absolutely came to Bakugo, and I still do kind of came Bakugo. What have you guys been up to this lovely year? I don't know. If you can comment something interesting, I'll give you a shout out in the next video. I don't know when the next video will be, but like, if you can comment something that interests me, I'll give you a shout out. If I remember. I go through these things where I forget about this channel, because like, I'm not like active on YouTube, and like, I don't really do anything to vlog, so I don't really vlog. Oh gosh. You know, I kind of wish I had my nails. So I had a lot of nails with this. It'd be so much easier to open. Oh my gosh. Tape. I lied. There was still more tape. I don't like tape. I wonder how many pieces Todoroki's gonna come in. He's like about to go. Nice. Dude, he's wearing little cardboard underwear. What the hell? This video is short. What the hell? Oh my gosh. There's so many more pieces, that's why each one just has more pieces. He's literally wearing cardboard undies. Oh my gosh, what the hell? Now, again, I haven't seen the movie, so I don't know why. It's like this, but like, I like his costume. Why is this on his head needs to go onto his neck? What the? Oh my gosh, this is actually confusing me. It's okay. It's okay, baby. It's okay. I'm confused on what this is. Oh my gosh. Really weird. I'll figure it out. Figure that out in a second. Got it, okay. Got it. Okay, that's very weird, but okay, I guess. And here is Todoroki. Todoroki. Okay. Now I have Tiger. I was gonna get the Derby one, but they didn't have the Derby one in. So I got Tiger instead. It's okay. We love Tiger. Tiger's pretty. I saw this lovely Toga cosplay while I was there, and it was so good, but I was too scared to go say hello. So if you went to Oz Comic-Con in Brisbane today and you dressed up as Tiger, I probably saw you, and I probably thought your costume was amazing, but I was just too scared to go say hello. Because people scare me. No, I left the box. Oh, it's okay. They look cute, so anyway. Wait. I wonder how many pieces Toga is gonna come in. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's deal. What? Oh my gosh. Toga. Coming! Okay, I'm back. Sorry. I was getting a drink. Plus, my mates love chicken wings and it was so good. Oh my gosh. Oh, Toga. What the? Oh my gosh. This is really difficult. Oh my gosh. I still don't understand why they just come in pieces. Take us. Fake knife. She's got a little knife. It's so cute. Oh. Yes, that is a knife, not a syringe. Oh my gosh. It's actually so cute. Oh my god. Now where does she sit with her stick? Oh my gosh. She doesn't have a hole in her butt like the rest of the characters to put it. stand. That's actually really cool. So this is her stand, and her foot just slides like this. It's like so cool. So, Targa, put your foot in your foothold into your stand, please. Probably more sense to put this one on first. Oh my gosh. Look, oh my god, that is so cute. Hold on. And I got some other figures and stuff with my friends. So, like, Deku not fit on his stand or kind of sad. No. Maybe that's meant to be tired of it. Not fit on. If they don't fit on their stand, what the hell? If I can get one foot in, that would be amazing. Just one at least. Oh, okay. Another Todoroki, love that, slay. I do need to clean the stand a little bit. This is Deku's stand, obviously. I'm assuming this would be Deku's stand, oh my gosh. The best case scenario, Joe Biden. So I've got another two stands, characters. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Now, I don't think these are real, but I really could care less. And like, look, the mask moves on this Deku, so like you can have the mask sit up, and like, yeah, it doesn't move very much, but like, you know, it still moves around enough. So like, so cute. And I got two kitties. So I bought this one at Comic-Con, and this is one I got from my friend Tali. And I got this. I think it has a stand, but yeah, this does have a stand. I've got that as well. It's very cute. Maybe it's not cute. I won't fit in the hole very well. But yeah, that's that one. And I have this as well. Another little Deku. I think there might be a stand for that one too. I've got no idea what this is from. That might be Kitty's little stand. Aha! I think that's what it is. I think it's Kitty's stand. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna put my display on and I'll show you. Here's the set. So we've got Deku, all the Dekus. Then we got the Todorokis and the kitties. Got my Bakugo, my Toga, and my whatever that is. Anyway, that's the end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye!